Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. I am back with new chapter of English subject. Today we will learn a new lesson that is digraph. Can anyone tell me what is digraph? Let me answer it for you. A digraph is a combination of two letters that makes one complete new speech sound. Got confused? No problem. Let me put it in another way. The combination of letters that makes a single sound. Let us see some examples. It will make the concept very clear. Like CH. C is pronounced as S and sometimes as K, and H is pronounced as H. But when both these two letters are combined together, it gives a completely new sound, that is Ch. What is Ch? Let us see some examples. CHIN, chin. What it is? It will be pronounced as chin. CHECK, check. PINCH, pinch. Let's see another digraph, that is GH. G is pronounced as G and H is pronounced as H. But when both letters are joined together, then they pronounce as Gh, sometimes Gh and sometimes F. Let us see some examples. ROUGH, rough. Here GH is pronounced as P. How it is pronounced as P. ROUGH, rough. TOUGH, tough. Here again GH is pronounced as P. ENUGH, enough. Here again GH is pronounced as P. Next one is GHOST, ghost. Here GH is pronounced as Gh. When GH, these two letters are put at the beginning of a word, then they are pronounced as Gh. And when they are put at the end of a word, they are pronounced as P. There is one more pronunciation where GH is not pronounced at all. That is when we write DOUGH, dog. Here you can see GH is not pronounced at all. GH is totally silent. Dog. DOU. Only DOU is pronounced. Dog. Not for, not Gh. Only DOU, dog. GH is not pronounced at all. Let us see some other examples. NG. N is pronounced as N and G is pronounced at somewhere G and at somewhere J also. But when these two letters are joined together, they are pronounced as Ng, Ng, Ng. Let us see the example. SINGER, singer, singer. Here NG is pronounced as ng, singer. LONG, long. NG is pronounced as ng, long. RING, ring. Here again NG is pronounced as ng, ring. Next is PH. P is pronounced as P and H is pronounced as H. But when both these two letters are put together, they are pronounced as P. How they are pronounced? They are pronounced as P. Let us see some example. Photo. Photo. What is photo? Ph is pronounced as P. Photo. Phone. Phone. What it is? Phone. Ph is pronounced as P. Phone. Graph. 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 How? Graph. Ph is pronounced as P. Let's go to other page. Next is SH. Again, S is pronounced as S, 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 and H is pronounced as H. But when these two letters are joined together, they are pronounced as sh, sh. Neither S, neither H. They are pronounced as sh. How they are pronounced? As sh. Let us see some example. SHIP. Ship. How it will be pronounced? As ship, not ship. Ship. FISH. Fish. Fish, not fish. Fish. SHEEP. 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 Next digraph is TH. TH has two sounds. One is voiceless and another is voice. T is pronounced as T here. T, and H is pronounced as H. But when both letters are joined together, they are pronounced as Th. Th. Here they are pronounced as Th. Like THANKS. 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 Here TH is pronounced as Th. Thanks. BOTH. 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 Again TH is pronounced as Th. THEFT. 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 Here again TH is pronounced as Th. Theft. Again TH voiced. Here TH is pronounced as D, not as Th. They are pronounced as D. Let us see some examples. THE. The or the. Sometimes it is pronounced as the and sometimes as the. BROTHER. 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 THIS. 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 Next is WH. W is pronounced as W and H is pronounced as H. When they are joined together, they are pronounced as W. 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 Let us see. WHEN. 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 WHAT. 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 WHEAT. 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 WHEEL. 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 Let us practice it with some more examples. Here we will pronounce CH. I have told you CH is pronounced as ch. Let us see. Church. 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 The big church. Charles goes to a big church. Next one is SH. Sh. It will be pronounced as sh. Let us see. Ship. Ship. That is a ship. Shakira. The sheep has a big ship. Here, sheep and ship. They are both are pronounced differently. Sheep and ship. Next one is th. Th is pronounced as th. Here it will be pronounced as th. Sometimes it is pronounced as th also, but here it will be pronounced as th. thick, thick. This, this. Here th is pronounced as the. This is rod. Rod is thick. The thick rod. Next one is wh. Wh. It will be pronounced as wh. Wheat. 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 What is that? That is wheat. Willie likes wheat. Again wh. whale. 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 This is Willie. This is a whale. Willie is a whale. Next, I am sharing some worksheets for your practice. Let us see. The first one, BA. What will come next? TH. And what sound it will make? Th. Bath. Bath. Second one will come CH. And what sound it will make? Ch. CHIPS. Chips. Next one will come again CH. BENCH. Bench. CH will make sound ch. Next one is CA, and here it will come SH. And what it will make sound? It will sound as sh. Cash. Cash. Next one TH. Here it will make sound th. THORN. 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 Next one TRA. Here it will come SH. Trash. Trash. Next is SH. SH will be pronounced as sh. Sh. SHELL. Shell. BEACH. CH will be pronounced as ch. Beach. EARTH. Earth. TH will be pronounced as th. Earth. Next, again we will see some example. CHEESE. 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 Ch. Cheese. WHALE. 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 PHONE. 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 PH will be pronounced as ph. Phone. THUMB. 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 TH will be pronounced as th. KNEE. Knee. Here K will be silent. Only N will be pronounced. KNEE. Knee. SHARK. Shark. SH will be pronounced as sh. Shark. Next, WHEEL. 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 KNIFE. Knife. Again K is silent. N will be pronounced only. KNIFE. Knife. THORN. Thorn. TH will be pronounced as th. PHOTO. 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 PH is pronounced as ph. Photo. SHEEP. Ship. Ship. Sheep. CHICKEN. Chicken. CH is pronounced as ch. Chicken. Hope you are quite comfortable with digraphs now. And this is the end of today's class. Bye kids, take care. See you in next class with new topic. Thanks for watching.